Most dried fruit isn't healthy. It's candy pretending to be fruit. Some brands have more sugar than a Snickers bar. The worst dried fruit on the shelf is Sunsweet Amazin' Prunes, soft and juicy, and the best is Made in Nature organic dried figs. Today I'm ranking dried fruit from worst to best, so you know exactly what to buy and what to leave on the shelf. Let's rank them. Number 5, worst. Sunsweet Amazin' Prunes, soft and juicy. Here is the cruel irony at the bottom of this list. Plain prunes, real, unprocessed, nothing added dried plums, are one of the most legitimately healthy foods in the entire dried fruit category. The fiber is exceptional. The research on prunes and digestive health, bone density, and cardiovascular benefit is real and well documented. A plain prune is a genuinely excellent food. Sunsweet knows this. The brand has spent decades building credibility on the back of that legitimate science. And then they made the soft and juicy line and systematically undid every reason prunes were worth eating in the first place. Here is what Sunsweet did. They added sorbitol solution, a sugar alcohol, to prunes that already contain naturally occurring sorbitol. Prunes have natural sorbitol. That is why they work for digestive health. Sunsweet looked at that and decided to add more on top of it. The result is a product where the combined sugar-alcohol load is high enough to cause bloating, cramping, and gastrointestinal distress in a meaningful portion of people who eat a normal serving, which is the exact opposite of what someone reaching for a prune product is hoping to experience. You bought prunes for gut health and you got gut problems. That is the soft and juicy experience for a significant percentage of the people eating them. The sulfite content is elevated compared to plain prunes because the soft and juicy texture requires more aggressive preservation chemistry to maintain shelf life. The consistent, premium-looking softness in the package is not the fruit being high quality. It is the chemistry being effective. Sunsweet makes excellent plain prunes. The soft and juicy line is a processed product that serves the manufacturer's shelf life interests and undermines the consumer's health goals. If you want prunes, buy the plain variety. If you want the soft and juicy version, know that you are buying a processed product with a gut health marketing claim and a formulation that actively contradicts it. Number 4, Mariani dried mango. Let's keep this simple because the label makes it simple for us. Mariani dried mango. Ingredient list. Mangoes, sugar, citric acid, sulfur dioxide. Second ingredient is sugar, not buried at the bottom, not hiding behind a clever name. Sugar, listed second, in a product made from mango, a fruit that is already one of the sweetest fruits that exists, and that concentrates even further during the drying process. Adding cane sugar as the second ingredient is a choice that has absolutely nothing to do with your health, and everything to do with making the product more addictive. Here is the one number that tells you everything you need to know about Mariani dried mango. One serving, 40 grams, which is a modest handful, contains 29 grams of sugar. A full-size Snickers bar contains 27 grams of sugar. The dried mango has more sugar than the candy bar, not comparable to the candy bar. The fiber is 1 gram. 1 gram in a product you are eating as a health snack. The sulfur dioxide gives it that vivid, unnaturally bright orange color that looks appealing in the package. Natural dried mango without sulfites is darker and less uniform. Consumers respond negatively to that in testing. So the sulfites stay, the color stays, and the health claim stays because the packaging says fruit and fruit is healthy. And that is the entire marketing strategy. Dried mango without added sugar is a legitimate product, and it exists. It is available online and at natural food retailers. It tastes like actual mango instead of mango-flavored candy. Buy that version. Leave Mariani on the shelf where it belongs. Candy with a fruit label. That is the whole story. Number 3, bonus trap. Sun-made vanilla yogurt raisins. Sun-made plain raisins are fine. Genuinely fine. Decent fiber, meaningful iron content, legitimate antioxidant value from the concentrated grape polyphenols. No added ingredients. Plain sun-made raisins are a reasonable dried fruit choice, and I have no problem with them. Sun-made vanilla yogurt raisins are candy. And the reason this is the bonus trap in this ranking is because the mechanism of deception here is more sophisticated than just putting sugar in dried fruit. This one operates through brand trust transfer, and it is one of the most effective tricks in the packaged food industry. Sun-Maid has over a century of brand credibility built on selling plain raisins. The little red box with the woman in the bonnet has been in American pantries and school lunchboxes for generations. That credibility is real, and it was earned. The problem is that when Sun-Maid puts that same iconic branding and imagery on a completely different product, your brain automatically transfers the trust it built on the original to the new product without stopping to evaluate whether that trust is deserved. The yogurt coating on Sun-Maid vanilla yogurt raisins is not yogurt. It is a yogurt-flavored confectionery compound, essentially a candy coating, made primarily from sugar and partially hydrogenated vegetable oil with artificial vanilla flavoring. There are no live cultures. There is no probiotic benefit. There is no dairy nutritional contribution beyond the name on the label. The word yogurt is doing marketing work, not nutritional work. You are eating raisins, already sugar-concentrated dried fruit, coated in a candy shell with no functional connection to actual yogurt whatsoever. 19 grams of sugar per serving. Fat from the confectionery coating, given to children specifically because the Sun-Maid name and the word yogurt make parents feel like they are making a responsible choice. Plain Sun-Maid raisins? Buy them. Vanilla yogurt. Raisins. Put them back, they are candy. The wrapper just does not admit it. Number 2, Patience Fruit & Co. Organic Dried Cranberries. Here is the problem with dried cranberries that almost nobody talks about honestly. Fresh cranberries are genuinely one of the healthiest fruits you can eat. Low in natural sugar, high in antioxidants, legitimate research on urinary tract health and cardiovascular benefit. They are also spectacularly tart, almost inedibly tart to most people without some form of sweetening. This is the fundamental tension of the dried cranberry category. The fruit's health credentials come from its low sugar content, and making it commercially viable requires adding the sugar that undermines those credentials. Most brands solve this problem with cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup in quantities that turn the cranberry into confectionery. Ocean Spray Craisins, the category leader by a wide margin, contain 29 grams of sugar per serving, more than a Snickers, from a fruit that is supposed to be a low-sugar health food. Patience. Fruit & Co. does something different. Instead of refined cane sugar, they use a small amount of apple juice. Concentrate is a sweetener. That distinction matters. Apple juice, concentrate is still a sugar source, and it still contributes to the glycemic load of the product. I want to be clear about that. It is not a free pass, but it is a whole food-derived sweetener rather than a refined industrial product. But in a category where almost every brand has chosen the cheapest, most aggressive sweetening strategy available, Patience Fruit & Co. made a better choice. And that better choice is worth recognizing and worth buying. Number 1. Best. Made in nature. Organic dried figs. One ingredient, organic figs. That is the entire formula. No added sugar, no fruit juice concentrate, no sulfur dioxide, no citric acid, no natural flavors, no oil coating, no processing intervention of any kind beyond removing the water from the fruit. Just figs. Dried. Done. And here is why that simplicity is so significant in this specific category. Figs are one of the only commercially available dried fruits that genuinely do not need added sugar to taste good. The natural sugar content of a dried fig, concentrated from the already sweet, fresh fruit through the drying process, is sufficient to deliver a genuinely satisfying, genuinely sweet eating experience without any supplementation. The sweetness you taste is the fruit, not added sugar pretending to be the fruit, the actual fruit. The fiber is 3 grams per serving, the highest on this entire list, and one of the highest available in any mainstream dried fruit product at retail. That fiber is doing real nutritional work. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrition Research found that figs produced a significantly lower blood glucose response than other dried fruits at equivalent carbohydrate loads, because the fiber and polyphenol matrix of the whole fig moderates how quickly that sugar hits your bloodstream. You are getting the sweetness of dried fruit with a fraction of the glycemic spike that the same amount of sugar in a lower fiber product would produce. The calcium content of dried figs is genuinely exceptional for a plant food, around 8% of your daily recommended intake per serving. The iron, potassium, and magnesium are all meaningful contributions. This is a food with real micronutrient density, not just concentrated sugar with fiber on the side, but a whole food with a complete nutritional profile that justifies every positive thing anyone has ever said about eating fruit. Made in Nature operates at the premium end of the organic dried fruit category. The sourcing is transparent. The brand has maintained its single-ingredient commitment across its product line without the reformulation drift that has quietly undermined other originally clean brands after acquisition or scale expansion. They have one job: dry good organic figs and sell them. And they do that job without compromise. Yes, it costs more than Mariani. Yes, it requires a Whole Foods trip or an online order. Yes, the bag is smaller and the price per ounce is higher than anything else on this list. And yes, it is worth every cent of the difference, because what you are getting is the real thing. Actual fruit, nothing added, nothing taken away. This is what dried fruit is supposed to be. Made in Nature. Organic dried figs. One ingredient, best fiber, 0 added sugar, no sulfites. This is the only dried fruit on this list that is genuinely doing what dried fruit is supposed to do. Buy it. Make it your default. Patience Fruit & Co. Organic dried cranberries. The most honest dried cranberry available. Apple juice concentrate instead of cane sugar. Organic certified. No sulfites. The best option in a category that is otherwise a sugar disaster. Plain Sun-Maid raisins, the original product, not the yogurt variety, is a legitimate and affordable dried fruit option. Decent fiber, real antioxidant value, No added sugar. Buy the plain version without hesitation. Sun-made vanilla yogurt raisins. Candy coated in brand trust. The yogurt coating is a confectionery compound with 0 probiotic value and 19 grams of sugar. Put them back and give your kids the plain version instead. Mariani dried mango. 29 grams of sugar per serving with cane sugar listed second. More sugar than a Snickers. Leave it on the shelf and find a single ingredient, no added sugar mango online instead. Sunsweet Amazing Prunes. Soft and juicy. Took one of the genuinely healthiest foods in the dried fruit category and added processing interventions that cause the exact gut problems prunes are supposed to solve. Buy Sunsweet plain prunes. Never buy the soft and juicy line. The rule for this entire category is one sentence long. If the ingredient list has more than one item, and that second item is any form of sugar, put it back. Fruit is sweet enough. The manufacturers adding sugar to already sugar-dense dried fruit are not doing it for your health. They are doing it for repeat purchases. Now you know the difference. Eat something real.